Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. Then enter H610i. Then hit enter. Then click on this model motherboard H610i. If it is not getting here, you just click on the product. After that you can see this, they are doom product. So second one, then click on support. So after that, guys, select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10, 11. Okay, so both operating system installations process, and you can select. Now this is the Realtek audio driver. Click to download. When you click on download, it will start downloading. Then it is done. Just open it, single click, and double click for open. After that, ask the administrator rights to install. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. If you can't give the administrator rights, so it will not install. So if you any driver install, will require the administrator rights. And it is install it, close it. Slow down, chipset, serial driver, click to download, open it, and double click, and then yes. Then close it. Next, Intel ENF installer, click to download. Just open it, and double click, then yes. Now this is installing. and then clear and close LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and you can see this is size, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take about your internet speed. If you have good speed, so you can install it. So it is completed. Just open it and double click to launch. Then yes. So now it is installing. So it is closed, means this is installed. Then VJ driver. So this is VJ driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Then click on this driver and double click. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So guys, now this is installing. So it will close automatically, but this is installed. It will take some time because it's totally, you can see this is almost 760 MB. So this is closes, this is installed.